Coin shop owner thinks I'm a rookie silver stacker. I just got back from a local coin show here where I live. And if you haven't been to a local coin show, it's a hall that has about 30 different dealers here where I live that's considered a small size coin show. And I went with the intent of swapping out some of these generic rounds, like these Sunshine Mints or these Olympic commemorative rounds. I'm not so interested in them. And my goal really is I'm filling this tube with Buffalo rounds. That's my goal. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's fun. Last month's winner was Brett from California. Click that link I put down below. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. So I just wanted to swap out some of these generic rounds that I don't really like how they look to get Buffaloes. That's my plan. And the first table I went to, I saw a older dealer. Most of these dealers are older. Older meaning they're either retired or they have 1 foot into retirement. They're in their mid to late 70s. Sometimes they're in their 80s. So I went to this dealer and I presented him with maybe like two, I think I had four. I had 4 generic rounds. And I told him, would he be interested in just swapping these generic rounds? Silver is silver. At the present price, it's got some real value. Even 4 of these, we're looking at some real value in this metal. So I just asked him if I could swap, if he's interested in swapping these 4 rounds for Buffalo rounds. It's the same product. Doesn't matter. And he looked at it. He took out his loop and he started, studying these rounds, which is so strange because I touch these with my hands. Everybody touches rounds with their hands. You don't have to keep these in good shape. They're just rounds. It's generic silver. He put it on his scale. He determined they're real. Fine. And then he told me, listen to this. He said, okay, I'll take your rounds, these 4 rounds. And he said, in turn, let me clear this out so you can really see. He said, in return, I'll take you these 4 rounds. And in return, he said, I'll give you only 3 Buffaloes. Let me get my Buffaloes here. I'll give you 3. That's it for the 4 rounds. He said, I'll give you 3, and plus I'll also charge you $10 on top of that. What? If you've been stacking for a solid 3-5 years, then you know that this makes no sense. I'm giving him 4 rounds, and he's giving me, in turn, the same product, just a different design. 3, only 3, and he wants to charge me $10. That is what it's like when you're being treated like a rookie. So I told him, with a smile, no thank you. I'm not interested in that. I'm not in that big of a hurry. And I literally walked 10 feet to another table, to another dealer that had same table, right? Same type products. He had generic Buffaloes. I said, hey, are you interested in swapping these out? I really just prefer Buffaloes. These? He said, sure. Bam, done. Took these. He gave me my 4 Buffaloes, and I was done. So I was almost out a lot of money if I didn't know what I was doing. If I really was a rookie, I would have been burned. That's a good amount of money. I would have lost a full round, and I would have paid $10 on top. That's what it's like when you're being treated like a rookie. Well, get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. They're holding this contest and giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Click that link down below. You should be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver, and I'll see you on the next one.